guys, welcome to my channel. This is the second month of carrying this braid for the hair growth challenge, and I'm going to be refreshing it. I remember the last video I uploaded that I refreshed my braid, and I said that I wasn't going to go through the stress of refreshing the entire braid because that was very stressful and it took me a whole lot of time to refresh it. So this particular day I decided to refresh the braid and just the front and the back, since I don't use wig, so I decided to just refresh the front and the back. And as usual, I use my leave-in conditioner to apply it on the hair to make it soft and easy to take it down while I'll be refreshing it. And yeah, that's basically how I refresh my braid. So guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome to the channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys know you're the best, okay? And I also want to say thank you to you all for all your support, your love. You guys are always coming through, honestly, and I appreciate it, and God bless you all. So to my new subscribers as well, you guys are welcome to the family. Trust you've been enjoying the videos that I've been uploading, okay? And yeah, and if you're still yet to subscribe, you're watching me and you're you're contemplating if you should hit that subscribe button or not, now is the time for you to show this baby girl some love, okay? Don't think about it too much, just subscribe, okay, and join the family. Thank you guys. So guys, this is my braid for the second month of the hair growth challenge, and it has been going so well. Like, the result is popping. I'm not gonna lie, the result is popping, and it is really amazing. Like, the softness, I've experienced a lot of softness, and honestly it is very good to do weekly moisturizing to our hair. Like, I don't know how, like, all those times that I don't used to do hair care routine and all that, I still wonder how I used to do it, because it is really amazing to take care of your hair, because the results you see, you wonder, like, why haven't I started this a very long time ago? So honestly, wherever you are watching this video and you've been struggling to grow your hair and you're thinking that, oh, I cannot grow my hair, trust me, you can grow your hair. Especially if you're saying that if you relax your hair will never grow again. That's a lie. Yeah. That's a big lie. So I want you guys to enjoy this part when my baby girl came to join me, okay? I'm going to allow you guys to listen to our conversation.
Do you use the hair for making my hair? What's this? It's comb for my hair. What's this? It's Alice comb. Alice comb. What's this? Alice oil for hair. Oh my god, pick it up. Don't touch that one, it's open. It's open? Yes, it's open. I'm making my hair. Zia has to make her fine hair. Let them see your fine hair. Sis, come on. You know the beautiful hair. Yes, my hair is beautiful too. Hair? Like Princess Zia. Hello. No, don't comb my hair. Okay. Thank you. I see bring on a comb. Comb. Alice comb. Alice comb. Yes. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Good, clap for Zia.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that beautiful moment with my baby girl. So back to the talk of, people talking about, oh, if you relax your hair it's not going to grow again. Honestly, that is a wrong talk. That's like a wrong, thing to tell people, because a lot of people might just, believe it. Like they, in fact, not like a lot of people will, like a lot of people believe it, like they take it as a fact that if you relax your hair is never going to grow again. So, and the only reason why most people used to think that way is because generally, like 90% of the hair salon here, I don't know about other places, but 90% of the hair salons we have here in Nigeria, in a lot of streets, always relax people hair. Like they always relax every all the hair strands, like both the new growth or the old growth or the previous, every, like they will relax everything. They will apply the relaxer on everything. So that's why people relax hair constantly break, and they used to feel like, oh, it's because I relax my hair is no longer growing again. So we need to learn that your relaxed hair, once you start taking proper care of it, it can definitely, and it will definitely grow, because mine is an example. Okay, mine is a good example to let you know that your relaxed hair can also grow. Okay, so whether you want to remain natural, it's also a beautiful thing, because even myself, I might decide one day to, go back to not relaxing my hair. So for me, natural hair, relaxed hair, everything na hair. So hair is hair, regardless of how you want to, carry it. Hair na hair. And that's on period. The main thing is just for you to love it. Like, love your hair, love yourself, the way you want to carry it, love it. Okay, if you don't love it, you have to love it for it to also grow. You have to show it love. So that's just how it is. And that is it for this refreshing. Like, I just want to, talk randomly. And in the, the third month will be where I'll be sharing the experience all through the journey of the, 3 month hair growth challenge. But for this one, we're just having chit chat. Yeah, duh. Why am I saying that? I'm so sorry for saying that. Okay, now is the time for me to remind you. I should have done this. Okay, if you're yet to like this video, please do well to give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It encourages me, like it gives me joy to do more for you guys. Okay, so please like the video, share the video to your loved ones, and subscribe if you are yet to. So yeah, we're done. This is like the first time I refreshed the braid. When I refreshed everything, and the hair was looking all, shiny, and look at the scalp. Oh my days, the scalp is beautiful. So this is the, second month refreshing, just the back and the front of my hair, and yeah, we're good to go to rock it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in another one. For now, bye.